managing your money can feel overwhelming, but budgeting apps have made it a whole lot easier. You've probably heard of apps like Rocket Money and PocketGuard, but which one is the right choice for you? Today, we're breaking down the key features, pros, and cons of each to help you decide. First up, let's talk about Rocket Money. This app is known for its ability to quickly identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions. This is a massive plus if you've got a pile of forgotten monthly fees draining your account. On top of that, it offers bill negotiation services, which can save you a surprising amount of money. The app has a clean, easy-to-use interface and a pay-what-you-want pricing model for its premium features, starting at a few dollars a month. It also offers credit score tracking and a neat smart savings feature to help you set aside money automatically. The downside? While it's great at tracking and canceling, some users find its core budgeting features a bit basic. It also lacks a dedicated debt payoff tool, which could be a deal breaker if you're focused on tackling debt. Now, let's look at PocketGuard. This app's standout feature is its In My Pocket tool. It takes your total income, subtracts bills, goals, and savings, and gives you a single number, the exact amount you can safely spend. This makes it incredibly easy to see your disposable income at a glance. PocketGuard also offers a robust debt payoff plan, which is a huge advantage if you're working to become debt-free. It provides detailed spending reports and allows for custom categories, giving you more granular control over your budget. The paid version is a flat fee, which some people prefer over Rocket Money's variable pricing. What's the catch? The free version is more limited than Rocket Money's, and some users have noted that the interface, while functional, isn't as sleek as its competitors. So, which one wins? It really comes down to your financial priorities. If your biggest pain points are forgotten subscriptions and high bills, and you love a simple, automated approach, Rocket Money is probably the better fit. Its bill negotiation and subscription cancellation tools are top tier. But if you're a hands-on budgeter who wants a clear, actionable picture of your spending money and a strong focus on debt reduction, PocketGuard's In My Pocket feature and debt payoff tools will likely feel more empowering. Ultimately, both apps are powerful financial tools. The best one for you is the one that aligns with your specific financial goals and how you prefer to manage your money. Try out the free trials and see which one feels right.